Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the ultimate summer staple shorts fashion choices of Vedika. From casual days to chic nights, let's get started. The actress, known for her impeccable style and elegance, has made significant waves in the fashion world, particularly with her chic and versatile choices in shorts. Her fashion sense in this category is a masterclass in blending comfort with high fashion. Whether she is spotted in casual outings or glamorous events, the beauty effortlessly incorporates shorts into her ensembles, each look carefully curated to suit the occasion. She often opts for high-waisted shorts, which not only elongate her legs but also add a vintage touch to her outfits. For more relaxed settings, Vedika is seen in denim shorts, which she elevates with designer accessories, like oversized sunglasses, chunky belts, or stylish handbags, adding a layer of glamour to a typically casual piece. Her color palette ranges from classic neutrals to bold, vibrant hues, showcasing her versatility and willingness to experiment. She complements her shorts with a variety of footwear, from elegant heels and strappy sandals to chic sneakers and ankle boots, each choice carefully aligned with the overall vibe she aims to project. Her color palette ranges from classic neutrals to bold, vibrant hues, showcasing her versatility and willingness to experiment. Vedika doesn't shy away from prints either. Floral, striped, and abstract patterns often make their way into her collection, bringing a playful and dynamic edge to her looks. She complements her shorts with a variety of footwear, from elegant heels and strappy sandals to chic sneakers and ankle boots, each choice carefully aligned with the overall vibe she aims to project. Her fashion journey with shorts is a testament to her adventurous spirit in experimenting with various fabrics and textures. She often sports silk shorts paired with flowy blouses or camisoles, creating a seamless look that transitions effortlessly from daytime elegance to evening sophistication. Leather shorts, on the other hand, are her go-to for adding an edgy, contemporary twist to her outfits. These are often paired with bold accessories and contrasting textures, such as a soft knit or a structured blazer, highlighting her knack for mixing different elements to create a balanced and cohesive ensemble. Layering is another signature aspect of her shorts fashion. She cleverly uses layering to add depth and dimension to her outfits. During the cooler months, you might find her in high-waisted shorts coupled with tights and a long overcoat, combining functionality with a sleek, polished look. In warmer weather, she layers lightweight kimonos or capes over her shorts and tank tops, adding a bohemian flair while ensuring comfort. Her ability to layer pieces not only showcases her style versatility but also makes her outfits adaptable to various climates and settings. Prints and patterns are a cornerstone of Vedika's shorts wardrobe. She often gravitates towards bold, eye-catching designs that add a playful element to her outfits. Floral prints are a favorite, especially in the spring and summer, where she pairs them with simple, solid-colored tops to let the shorts take center stage. She also doesn't shy away from more unconventional patterns, such as geometric shapes or animal prints, which she balances with understated accessories to avoid overwhelming the look. This adventurous approach to prints and patterns allows her to constantly reinvent her style and keep her looks fresh and exciting. While the actress loves vibrant colors and prints, she also appreciates the timeless elegance of monochromes and neutrals. She is often seen in sleek, monochromatic outfits, where the shorts are part of a coordinated set, exuding a sophisticated and minimalist vibe. These tones are perfect for creating a chic and effortless look, whether she's attending a formal event or enjoying a casual day out. She expertly uses accessories to elevate her looks, from statement jewelry and designer handbags to stylish hats and belts. Her choice of accessories often complements the theme of her outfit. For instance, a pair of sleek heels and a clutch for a sophisticated evening look, or a trendy crossbody bag and sneakers for a casual daytime outfit. Her ability to select the right accessories ensures that her shorts outfits are always polished and well coordinated. Footwear plays a crucial role in her shorts fashion, with her choices ranging from elegant to playful. She pairs her tailored shorts with stiletto heels or heeled boots to create a powerful, elongated silhouette. For more relaxed looks, she opts for trendy sneakers or flat sandals, ensuring comfort without compromising on style. Ankle boots are a favorite for adding a touch of edge to her ensembles, often complementing leather shorts or darker tones. For casual outings, she might choose relaxed fit shorts with a simple tee and chic flats, exuding an effortlessly cool vibe. For more formal events, her tailored shorts, paired with a blazer and heels, create a modern, polished look that stands out. This versatility makes her fashion choices both practical and inspirational, showcasing how shorts can be an integral part of a sophisticated wardrobe. She proves that shorts can be more than just casual wear, they can be transformed into a statement piece with the right styling. Her outfits often reflect a blend of contemporary fashion with a nod to classic styles, making her a trendsetter in the fashion world. High-waisted shorts are a recurring favorite in her wardrobe, accentuating her waistline and providing a flattering silhouette. These designs are versatile and can be styled in myriad ways, from retro-inspired looks with tucked-in blouses to more avant-garde ensembles with crop tops. The high-waisted cut also allows for creative pairing with belts and other accessories that draw attention to the waist, adding an element of sophistication to even the simplest of outfits. She explores various lengths and fits to match the occasion and her mood. From knee-length Bermuda shorts that offer a more conservative and polished look to short, tailored versions that exude a playful and flirty vibe, her collection covers a broad spectrum. Loose, flowy shorts are perfect for relaxed, beachy vibes, while fitted styles are her go-to for more structured and formal appearances. This willingness to experiment with different cuts and fits showcases her ability to adapt fashion trends to suit her personal style. Her fashion sense is acutely tuned to the changing seasons, ensuring her shorts outfits are not only stylish but also seasonally appropriate. In the summer, she leans towards lighter fabrics and brighter colors, often opting for shorts paired with airy tops and sandals. She transitions to thicker materials like wool or tweed, combining her shorts with cozy sweaters, tights, and boots. This seasonal adaptability highlights her practical approach to fashion, where comfort and style are given equal importance. When she wears shorts with bold prints or intricate details, she often pairs them with simpler tops to let the shorts stand out. Conversely, for shorts in solid colors or classic cuts, she might choose a top with unique embellishments or a striking design to add visual interest. This thoughtful approach to balancing elements within her outfits ensures that each piece complements the others without overwhelming the overall look. Her choice of accessories plays a pivotal role in defining her shorts ensembles. She uses accessories not just as add-ons but as integral components that enhance and complete her outfits. Bold necklaces, chunky bracelets, and statement earrings often feature in her looks, adding a touch of glamour and personality. Hats are another favorite accessory, from wide-brimmed sun hats for a relaxed, beach-ready look to chic fedoras that lend an air of sophistication. Scarves, both as neck accessories and as belts, provide an additional layer of style and versatility. Color coordination is a hallmark of her style, and her shorts outfits are no exception. She skillfully combines colors to create harmonious ensembles, often playing with contrasting hues to make her outfits pop. Whether it's pairing navy shorts with a crisp white blouse or combining pastel shorts with a soft, muted top, her color choices are always deliberate and visually appealing. Her footwear choices are just as varied and stylish as her shorts. She expertly matches her shoes to the vibe of her outfit, knowing that the right footwear can elevate the entire look. For tailored and formal shorts, she might choose elegant pumps or strappy heels that add a touch of sophistication. For more casual or sporty outfits, she often opts for sneakers or espadrilles that keep the look comfortable and laid back. Her ability to style shorts for a variety of events sets her apart as a fashion icon. For casual brunches or daytime outings, she might choose relaxed fit shorts with a simple top and light accessories. For evening events or parties, she elevates her look with tailored shorts, paired with glamorous tops and statement jewelry. This adaptability ensures that she always looks perfectly put together, regardless of the occasion. Her approach demonstrates that shorts can be versatile and appropriate for a wide range of settings, challenging the notion that they are strictly casual wear. The actress has also embraced sustainable fashion, choosing brands and pieces that align with ethical practices. If you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.